It's not too late.
There's a hang gliding launch right over here. Wow, we got a kiteboard rescue. Guy came off his kiteboard about maybe 10, 15 minutes ago, seems like forever. And his buddy went and got him, but he was stuck in the riptide out there. His wing came in, which is right there, and his board came in, but he didn't come in. Oh, so now it looks like he's back in now. Oh, wow.
He's right under the drone.
20 minutes without his board and kite, and he's a riptide.
And he's also been out there.
He's
also been out there.
Wait, are they doubled up? Are they doubled up?
They're trying, yeah.
Good. Good. So he's using the kite to drag himself in now.
Yeah.
There you go. Keep going. Using the
Okay,
kite
watch the
to
elephant
drag
seal. Rado, watch the elephant seal.
in. Oh, yeah. Let's go around. Way around.
I'll give him a little flap of his butt.
Whew.
He's standing. He's younger. Behind us now. Right.
Uh-huh.
What's crap is you can't even call 911 with your cell phones. Everybody tries.
My drone out there, but it was hard to, I found it's hard to find.
Good eye, Rado. I think you saved that guy's life.
And you got these, where you have a deeper shore, you got these riptides, and you get a larger flow of water going out, and the waves come in. So it's a circular pattern. And you can see lots of white water and foam that goes way further out than where the waves are pushing through. It's crazy. But you have to not freak out. If you work against the riptide, you'll never make it. You have to swim laterally away from the riptide to come back. But if you don't go far enough, you'll end up in the circular pattern. That's what happened to him, right? He was here, went in, then he's like, oh, I got it. And he got back into the riptide, did it again. He went 2-3 laps.
Yeah,
around
that's what
this.
he said. And
Yeah.
you can see that
So
by
you
the
have
third
to
time.
swim lateral further away so that you don't get you have a bigger chance and a longer time to get to shore. If you don't go further down in the rotation, you'll go like this again and out.